Welcome sa aking Python project na naka-integrate na po sa GUI. So, may name ng ating laro is Agricultural Fish Farming. So, before we click Start button, so as you can see naman, itong mga variables natin sa resources is wala pa. And then yung actions natin is not clickable. So, let's start. Beam. Mabibigyan po tayo ng values, ng variables, and then yung actions natin is magiging clickable. So, let's go with by page. So, yes. So, let's say 50 yung kailangan natin. So, bakit? So, magtataka kayo, bakit hindi 50 yung nabawas sa ating money? So, naka-random din po yung price niyan. So, let's see. Boom, nabawasan po yung money. And then, nadagdagan tayo ng feeds na 50. So, let's say, they want to feed fish. So, what if wala tayong feeds? Super feeds. Yan. So, yan. No super feed available. And then, 0 naman yan. Go normal feeds. Yes. So, ang kailangan lang natin is 16 kasi naka-base po yan kung gaano kadami yung feeds na kailangan dun sa gaano kadami yung isda mo. So, 16. Bim, we'll grow healthy tomorrow. So, let's clean our fish tank. So, I don't want to clean up my fish tank. Sabihin natin no. So, sell our fish. Okay. So, do you want to sell your fish in local market? So, sabihin natin yes. Benta natin isang tilapia. Enter. Bam. Nadagdagan tayo ng 66 pesos. And then, nabawasan tayo ng isang tilapia. So, let's go to buy more fish. Yes. Nga pala, ang magiging required na actions dyan is dalawa lang. So, itong mga natira is optional lang. Okay? So, yan. Do you want to buy more fish? Nakabili na tayo. Naging 2 na. And then, events. Do you want to buy medicine? So, itong random event natin is randomized po siya. So, it depends po kung ano pong may bigay sa inyo ng laro mismo. So, do you want to buy fish? Let's say yes. You bought medicine for your fish. You have grown your fish today. So, yan. And then, what if ayoko na? Ayoko na maglaro. Or, let's try again. Try again. Kasi napangitan ako dito. So, yan. Click retry. Are you sure you want to restart the game? So, yes. Yan. So, what if hindi natin pakainin yung isda natin? Okay. Let's buy our feeds. Only one. Yan. You have no. And then, pagdating dito, no. You will use your fish. So, dating sa event, no pa din. Yan. So, some of your fish have lost and unfortunately, the following fish have died. So, Q message box po siya. So, as you can see, wala na tayong salmon. So, that's it for my GUI and thank you guys for watching.